it's Ivy and welcome to my video. Today's topic is 5 ways to feel cute that don't involve any makeup at all. Now I realize I am clearly wearing makeup in this video. However, these are 5 ways that if you want to skip all of this, you can still feel like put together and just cute, good, energetic, pretty, whatever you want to feel. I just think you're going to feel better. I was inspired to create this video by the company Dossier. Dossier makes affordable luxury fragrances that kind of check all of the boxes as far as what I'm looking for in a beauty company. So iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Here is the fragrance I chose, Woody Hyacinth, and we're going to get to that in a minute, but first I have to consult my note because Dossier has so many good features that I had to write them down. So Dossier's scents are made in Grasse, France, which is the same place a lot of the high-end fragrances you know and have purchased, the name brand ones, are made. They make men's, women's, and unisex fragrances. They are affordable, so they start at $29. The one that I chose, this would retail for $29 for a 1.7 ounce bottle. They are cruelty-free, first and foremost. I should have said that first, because honestly, I wouldn't even agree to review this product if it weren't cruelty-free, and I think it's pretty hard to find quality cruelty-free fragrances. Vegan, also very impressed with that. All of their fragrances are vegan, paraben and phthalate-free, colorant-free. They use recyclable packaging to ship it, and then the bottles itself are glass recyclable bottles. And then, if that wasn't enough, they have 30-day free returns. And don't worry, if you think, well, I don't want to return it because it's probably just going to go to waste. No, they actually give all the returns to charity. So if you're liking how this sounds, so did I, and you probably want to know about the actual fragrance, so let's get into it. So I chose Woody Hyacinth because this fragrance is inspired by Chanel Chance, and that has been the only fragrance I've ever worn throughout my life that I have consistently loved. I feel like if I had a signature scent, that was probably it. However, I haven't bought Chanel Chance in a long time for 2 main reasons. One, I mean, it's a luxury and it's kind of expensive. So, you know, especially like last year, I didn't work as much and I definitely was not justifying that purchase, especially when I wasn't even seeing people. And then the other reason, and the more important reason, is that Chanel is not a cruelty-free company. Nothing in their portfolio is cruelty-free, not their makeup and definitely not their fragrances. So I don't want to support any cruelty-free company. So I kind of was like on this Chanel Chance hiatus, and I thought, I don't know. I mean, I don't see Chanel changing that policy anytime soon. So when I saw that Woody Hyacinth was comparable to Chanel Chance, I thought, this is a no-brainer. I have to try this. This is a 1.7 ounce glass bottle. It has a magnetic cap, which I love. I love anything magnetic. I don't know. So I'm going to read you the notes in this. Now, I'm going to tell you, don't just go by the notes that you read on the website and think, nope, I wouldn't like that, because I love Chanel Chance. But if I had known that these are some of the notes in it, I don't think I would have even chose it. So the top notes in Woody Hyacinth, comparable to Chance, are hyacinth, lemon, and pineapple. I like lemon, and I think I like hyacinth, but I thought pineapple. Middle notes are jasmine, a scent that I have often said I don't like, pink pepper, and patchouli, which I've absolutely said I don't like. And then the base notes are vanilla, vetiver, I know I like that, and orris. So based on the scent profile, this would not have been a win, because I thought absolutely not to patchouli and jasmine on that alone. So to me, Woody Hyacinth is not only comparable to Chanel Chance, it is identical. I feel confident saying that. I'm going to spritz one right now because I also think it's extremely concentrated. It is an eau de toilette, so it's not an eau de parfum, but it's strong. 1 spritz is more than enough. I think when I've done 2, so like when I've done 1, 2, that's almost too much, and it's so strong. I've actually been liking this better. Spray it on my clothes or spray it into the air and then walk into it. I actually think it's extremely long lasting too. I know this all seems too good to be true. I realize that, but it's long lasting because I remember I put it on when I first got it, and I went to bed and I could still smell it the next morning. And I don't think I remember other fragrances having that kind of staying power, especially a cruelty-free vegan one. Huge thank you to Dossier for sending me this fragrance for the purpose of this video and working with me directly. So I have a discount code for you. So if you use IVB at checkout, you will get an additional 10%. And I say additional because they have a welcome 20% off code. So you can use both. So you could use your 20% off code through Dossier, and then you can apply the IVB code for an extra 10. So you will be saving 30% off of your first Dossier order. I have been thinking a lot about scent lately just because it has such a strong tie to memories. You associate certain scents with certain places or times in your life. Did you know that certain hotels have a signature scent and you smell it when you enter the lobby? And I feel like those things stick in your brain, and you tie your memories to scent. And I also realized that I want to have people talk about me the way that they do Rihanna. So I watched all these interviews lately where all these celebrities were saying, oh my gosh, Rihanna, she smells so good, I can't even describe it. And I was like, what a flex to be like, I'm the best smelling person everyone knows. And I know I can't achieve that. I'll never get to Rihanna level of anything in my life. But I was like, I also want to smell really good, and I should try to do that more. By applying a fragrance you love, you are going to walk throughout your day with a little more confidence, knowing that you smell good, and you're going to hopefully transfer that energy and positivity to everyone else you meet. Using a lash serum has been the best beauty decision I think I've made in the last 2 years or so, and I am continually amazed at how long and pretty my own natural eyelashes are. By applying a lash serum at night before bed, in a month to 3 months, you're going to notice a difference, definitely at 3 months, and it is absolutely worth the little stripe you put on your lash line at night, because I think you're going to be pretty impressed with how good your natural lashes can look. Using a tool like a gua sha shown here, a jade roller, or even your fingers to stimulate lymphatic drainage in the face can help to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, release muscle tension, and visibly and instantaneously lift the appearance of your face. You can see a more defined jawline, a little bit more of a lifted cheekbone. Now, it's not a permanent effect, but for a great instant gratification boost, I love both the practice and the after effects of gua sha. By adding clear self-tanning drops to your daily face or body moisturizer, you can give your skin tone just a little hint of vacation without doing your whole involved self-tanner routine. This is one of those things where I'll put it on either before bed or I'll put it on at the beginning of the day. And by the end of the day or the next morning, I almost forget I did it, and I'll catch myself in the mirror and be like, oh, why do my teeth look whiter and my eyes look brighter? Oh, that's right, self-tanner. The effect of self-tanner drops can be subtle, but definitely still impactful, and I always find it kind of gives me a little extra spring in my step. To hydrate your lips and get an instant, beautiful, wet-looking shine, try a lip oil. They hydrate like a balm, they look like a gloss, but they don't have any sort of sticky feel, and honestly, I just find the application method itself really relaxing and kind of satisfying. As a bonus tip, surround yourself with those that you love the most. That is when you're going to look your most beautiful and most happy, when you are surrounded with love. This is Miles. He's our oldest cat. He's 13 and he is my little velveteen rabbit, and I've loved him for 13 years and I will love him forever. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you feel inspired by these 5 ways to feel better, feel cute, just improve your life. I hope you try some of them and I hope they work well for you too. And of course, thank you again to Dossier for sending me this amazing fragrance that I will be wearing anytime that I want to make my day better, which should be every day. And sooner or later, people are going to start talking about how good I smell. I just know it. So I will see you guys again in my next video.